Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be fantastic. Yesterday, Ulefone announced a series of rugged phones that they will be launching as part of their 10th year anniversary. They announced their most powerful rugged phone yet, which is the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. In today's video, I'm comparing the specifications of Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra to another two recently launched rugged phones, the Doogee S200 and Unihertz Shark, to see which one will come out on top. Without further ado, let's find out.